Adventures in Valle Estrella.
Check it out. The totally cool human species right here in Valle Estrella. Epic!
Epic!
Whoa! Look how humans eat circular food. Far out. And they keep putting shiny metal things to their mouth and eye. Farther out. Now, let's check out what happens when the human's fragile habitat is, like, disturbed. Sup?
Oh, hey! That flaringo took our spyglass.
Let's get him!
Yeah! Hey, give that back!
As you can see, humans are not as agile as flaringos. Whoa! Those little jaquins got some serious speedage.
Gotcha! Whoa!
Oh! Notice how humans like taking spins on other creatures.
Hold on!
Groovy rescue. Nalacious.
Got it!
Yeah!
So, if there's one thing to take from today, humans are super protective when it comes to their stuff. So if you see a human out in the wild, the best thing to do is just observe.
Observe!
Class dismissed.